In this guide, I'll show you how to change your microphone from your PS5 controller to a wired headset. So, the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button and select mic at the bottom. And by default, it'll say wireless controller for your mic. So, go ahead and plug in your headset to your controller now, and it should automatically switch to headset controller. Now, if it doesn't, what I recommend you do is have a look at your headset and ensure that your microphone's fully plugged in. And you could also try unplugging it and plugging it back into your controller. Now, if it's still not working at this point, the next thing you want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then you want to scroll down and select accessories, go to controller general, and scroll down and select DualSense wireless controller device software. Now, you want to ensure your controller is running the latest version, and once it is, what you want to do is try again and see if it works. If it doesn't, I recommend you press the PlayStation button, go down to your controller and turn it off, and then turn it back on and see if your headset's connected. If it's still not working, this either means that your headset's likely broken or that your DualSense wireless controller's broken. Maybe there's been some damage to the actual jack where you plug it in. So at this point, you'd want to switch out your headset or controller to see what's causing the issue and then try the steps again. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.